Okay, hurricane, American hurricanes. Where American hurricanes are born. Yeah, you see Africa, Central America. So the American hurricanes are born in this area, in this ocean area, in this low latitude ocean area, tropic area. Yeah. I have one question. Yeah. What is the prevailing wind direction in this region? Everybody knows? Yeah. What the prevailing wind direction for the New York? We know that. Westerly. From west to the east. Yeah. So if Pennsylvania has a storm, then we will see in one day they will come to New York. Never there is a storm in the Atlantic Ocean come to New York because in New York prevailing wind direction is from west to the east. How about in this area? The hurricane was born area. What is the prevailing wind direction? Yeah, from east to the west. Yeah, this is called the trade wind region. In the north hemisphere, the wind direction is northeast. South hemisphere is the southeast. So these two trade winds come together, yeah, for the equator. Yeah. Okay. So this hurricane was born in this area. The prevailing wind direction is easterly, from east to the west. Yeah. Now we want to understand this American hurricane, how was born. Easterly. There's a easterly waves. You see from Africa to the Central America. There's the waves. What is the waves? You see the ocean, there's the waves. It's up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. There's the waves. Yeah. So we are talking about the waves. We have to talk about what is the wavelength from one peak to another. For easterly waves, the wavelength is 2,500 kilometers. Oh, this is so long. It's very long. Yeah. So so how this is periods is 3 and 4 days. Yeah. So yeah. So we want to understand these waves. That means up, down, up, down, up, down. So when this up air is rising, what was happening? Air is rising. Temperature is going down. Air can hold less and less water molecules, so that it becomes saturated. That's the clouds. Yeah. So there's the clouds, right? Yeah. There's clouds on the eastern side because the air are rising. On the west side, air is sinking. Air sinking, become warmer and warmer. Air can hold more water molecules. So Let the air become drier and drier. Air sinking. Air become drier and drier. Clear sky. Yeah, clear sky. These waves. Air up, down, up, cloud, down, clear sky. Yeah. This up. There's the clouds. There's the rain. That is baby of hurricane. So we can see this weather pregnant. Yeah, for the hurricane. However, survive is very, very low. Just 9% of survive. Only 85% for this can be from Africa. Yeah. Uh, so yeah. Yeah. So this 9% of this is a little baby be able to survive. Yeah. So yeah. So for you to understand how these American hurricane are born, just from here. This is starting point. So for the hurricane development, there is a four stages. These four stages will be on your exam. You must be pay attention. Yeah. So the fourth stage, from pregnant, from the child, from the teenagers, then become neutral. Yeah. First stage. What is the first stage? Yeah. So stage is called tropical disturbance. Yeah. Disturbance. So that's disturbance. Two characteristics to describe this uh, stress for the tr- for the hurricane development at each stage with two characteristics. One is the wind speed. Yeah. So wind speed would be less than 20, very low, very low. Wind speed is less than 20 knots. And also hurricane is a rotating, moving column of air. So that's a require closed reservoirs. At the first stage for the tropical disturbance, there's no closed reservoirs. So two characteristics you must be remember. Wind speed is less than 20 knots. There's no closed reservoirs. This is for first stage. It is called tropical disturbance. Yeah, it's called tropical depression. Yeah. So the wind speed must be larger than 20 knots, less than 35. Yeah. At least this is started rotating. At least one closed S-bar. So this second stage is called tropical depression. At least one closed S-bar. Wind speed between 20 and 35 knots. We call the tropical storm. I think you are familiar with the tropical storm. Sometimes hurricane arrives to New York, become tropical storm. Yeah. So what is the isobar? Yeah. What is the wind speed? Wind speed is greater Yeah, at least 35 knots. Yeah, below 64. If wind speed is 64, that's a hurricane. Yeah, so less than 64, but is greater than 34. Yeah, so wind speed is 35 and 64 knots. So there are few closed icebergs. Yeah, there's a tropical storm is a hurricane. Yeah, that is a hurricane. Wind speed must be greater than 64 knots, 74 miles per hour. Yeah, there are many closed icebergs. Four stage. So you have to know right, in this chart. Yeah, the first stage is called the tropical disturbance. No closed icebergs. Wind speed is less than 20 knots. Second stage is called the tropical depression. Yeah, at least one closed icebergs. Wind speeds, yeah, from 20 knots to 34 knots. Yeah. Third stage is a tropical storm. Yeah, more close icebergs. Wind speed, yeah, between 35 and 64 knots. Hurricane, yeah, wind speed is great than 64. Yeah, so this is the multiple choice will be on your exam.